Hello everyone. Now please watch a video and answer the question. What is the theme of our lesson?
Yes. Okay, thank you. Right, bye-bye. Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to return this answering machine.
I see, and you have a receipt.
Yes, here. I bought it last week.
And what seems to be the problem?
It doesn't work.
It doesn't play your messages.
No, yes. There seems to be something wrong with the recording mechanism.
And how is that?
It only records one or two messages, and then it cuts off. I can only get two messages.
Let's check it out. Power plug goes in here, telephone goes in here, and this goes to the phone outlet.
That's the way I have it.
Good. Let's check the outgoing message.
You have reached 278-5534. Please leave a message and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. That part worked well. It's the incoming messages that get cut off.
Are there any messages on the machine now?
Yes, but it only recorded 1.5 messages.
Right. Let's look at the incoming message tape. Outgoing message, incoming message. Here's the problem.
What is it?
The tapes are in the wrong places.
Wrong places?
That's right. The outgoing message tape is very short, and it should be on this side. The longer tape should be on this side.
Oh, I understand. So the shorter tape is cutting the messages off.
Right. So if we just reverse the tapes, everything should be okay. Would you like me to go over the operating instructions?
No, I don't think it's necessary now. The tapes are in the right place, so everything should be okay.
I think you're right. Anyway, the instructions are in the manual if you need them.
Okay, great. I guess I don't have to return it now.
It should be okay.
Thanks for your help.
Oh, you're welcome. If you have any other problems, just let me know.
I will.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, and now answer this question. Yes, you're right. The theme of our lesson is complaining about a faulty product. And a learning objective is use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about an increased range of general and curricular topics. And you have to learn new words and make a dialogue on the theme using specific vocabulary. Okay, and at the first we learn the new words.
Бракованный, неисправный.
Faulty.
Линза, объектив.
Lens.
Поцарапанный.
Scratched.
Посылать, отправлять что-нибудь.
Send something away.
Бесплатно.
No charge.
Please write down these new words.
Faulty. Lens. There is no charge. Scratch. Send something away.
Okay, and now open your books, page number 106, and do exercise number 1. Match the sentences to the objects. Some sentences match more than one object. For example, the lens is scratched. This is camera. Okay, the next task, exercise number 2. Listen and repeat.
What seems to be the problem? I think the lens is scratched. Can I have a look at it? We'll have to send it away to be repaired. How long will it take? We'll call you when it's ready.
Okay, and now listen and read to find out.
Hello. Can I help you, madam?
I've got a problem with my camera. I bought it here last Monday, and I think it's faulty.
What seems to be the problem?
I think the lens is scratched. Every photo I take has a thin black line in the corner.
Can I have a look at it?
Sure.
Well, we'll have to send it away to be repaired.
How long will that take?
About 7 to 10 days.
How much will it cost?
This camera has a 2-year guarantee, so there's no charge. We'll call you when it's ready.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The next task. Find words and phrases in the dialogue which mean. First, what's wrong? The second, may I examine it? The third, you don't have to pay anything. The fourth, we will contact you by telephone. The next task is a dialogue. To act out a dialogue between you and the shop assistant. But at the first, watch a video about intonation in questions.
Podcast is part of the series on intonation, asking a WH question with the words what, where, who, why, when, and how. Introduction. As was explained in the Introduction to Intonation lesson, the musical pattern of ups and downs in your speech, in both the middle and end of your sentences, is called intonation. In English, there are 3 intonation patterns: a rise, a full fall, and a partial fall. These different musical patterns communicate different messages to your listener. Asking WH questions. Although the rising intonation pattern is usually associated with questions, only certain types of questions require your voice to go up at the end of the sentence. To ask a WH question, which starts with one of the words what, where, who, why, when, how, and requests more information from the listener, the speaker's pitch should go down. This is most often heard in the very common question, how are you? Could you hear my voice go down on you at the end? How are you? If I asked, how are you, with a rising pitch, it would simply sound strange. Listen and repeat. When did you last go there? Notice how the d plus y becomes j. When did you last go there? How's it going today? How's it going today? Why can't you just do the work like I asked? Why can't you just do the work like I asked? What's it gonna take to get this done? Notice how I transform the verb going to in informal speech. What's it gonna take to get this done? Where's the best restaurant around here? Where's the best restaurant around here? Who would ever believe that you guys are twins? Who would ever believe that you guys are twins? Don't forget to subscribe to the Elemental English podcast on iTunes, and if this lesson was helpful to you, feel free to share it with friends.
And now listen to the task. The battery of your new MP3 player only lasts for 1 hour when it should last for 25 hours. Take it back to the shop you bought it from. Use the phrases in the box to act out the dialogue between you and the shop assistant. In your dialogue, say when you bought it, describe the problem, how long it will take to be repaired, how much repair will cost. This plan helps you to make a dialogue. And now make a video with your dialogue. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.